Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Conservation Geography week 4th assignment 4th. So the first question is, which of these air masses is generally cool and moist? So these are the options CP, CT, MP, MT. So now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, MP generally cool and moist. So the answer of our first question is C, MP. Now the second question is, which of these air masses is generally cold and dry? So these are the options CP, CT, MP, MT. So now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, CP generally cold and dry. So the answer of our second question is A, CP. Now the third question is, the ISS orbits in which layer? So these are the option troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. So let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, the ISS orbits in the thermosphere. So the answer of our third question is D, thermosphere. Now the fourth question is, the government came up with a regulation that incandescent bulbs be replaced by LED bulbs so that electricity consumption and release of carbon dioxide from power plants is reduced. In the context of climate change, such an action would be called. So these are the option: adaptation, mitigation, declaration, maladaptation. So the answer of our fourth question is B, mitigation. Now the fifth question is, surplus seed and sperm banking is an adaptation option to facilitate. So these are the option: resistance to climate changes, resilience to climate changes, response to climate changes. None of these. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, adaptation option, promote resilience to change, surplus and seed banking, intensive management during stabilization, promotion of biodiversity rich ecosystem. So the answer of our fifth question is A, resistance to climate changes. Now the sixth question is, the classical period for taking average for climate is. So these are the option: 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, timing, the classical period for taking average is 30 years. So the answer of our sixth question is C, 30 years. Now the seventh question is, noctilucent clouds are present in which layer? So these are the option: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, mesosphere. Noctilucent cloud are present, highest clouds. So the answer of our seventh question is C, mesosphere. Now the eighth question is, because of climate change, Mudumalai Tiger Reserve is suffering from frequent droughts. The management has built several artificial water holes for animals and filled them up regularly with tankers in the context of climate change. Such an action would be called. So these are the option: adaptation, mitigation, declaration, maladaptation. So the answer of our eighth question is A, adaptation. Now the ninth question is, which of these is home to the ozone layer? So these are the option: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. So let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9 is stratosphere home to ozone layer. So the answer of our ninth question is B, stratosphere. Now the 10th question is, most of the weather phenomena occur in. So these are the option: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, troposphere. Most of weather phenomena occur here. So the answer of our 10th question is A, troposphere. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.